Hey there, Katrina here, founder of Living from Center, and it is time for another one of our body tune-up tips of the week. I'm excited to share this tip today. Again, another one using our tune-up therapy balls. You know, these are my favorite massage tool, and this tip that I'm going to show you today, this little technique, is one of my favorite ways to use these. We use these balls all the time in our body tune-up classes. Come check out one of our body tune-up classes. I'll put the link in the notes. This tip today is because as this video is coming out, we are coming into spring where I live here in the Boston area, and that to me means that it is shoe shifting season. That time when we go from we're used to wearing our boots and we're used to wearing our closed-toed shoes and all those shoes that kind of have us compacted and socks into the possibility of wearing something that has less of all of that closedness and a little bit more opening up, and maybe some sandals and maybe some things that actually maybe don't even have that much support. Just a very different experience for your feet. And sometimes when you make that transition, your feet kind of go, whoo, what's going on? So I love using this time of the year to give my feet a little bit of TLC with the tune-up therapy balls. So I'm going to bring you down to the floor and show you what I'm going to do for our little tune-up tip of the week. You can use these balls for rolling out and massaging your feet while they're in the tote, which is an awesome way to kind of get your foot massaged out. Just putting them on the floor like this and rolling your foot across the balls, standing really kind of pretty like over the balls, really steady on them, so you get some pressure, some downward pressure into the balls as you roll, kind of like a conveyor belt across them. It feels so good to just get the tendons waking up in there and massaged open. That's just kind of a warm-up. Let me show you another tip that is another technique that's even better. One of the reasons, as I've mentioned before in these videos, why I love these balls is because they are grippy. They kind of have that grabbing of your fascia and your tissue, and they're also dense, but not solid hard. They do have give. That's important. You don't want to be using something like a solid hard golf ball or something on your feet. It's better for there to be the give because your foot takes it in. But also awesome to have something that has enough density where you can really keep your heel on the floor, put it underneath your arch, and pivot so that you get a really good sinking in massage going across all of these metatarsal bones of your feet and opening everything up, your tendons, your bones, all the little muscles. There are so many muscles and bones in your feet. You can put the ball under the balls of your feet, just below your toes. And doing that kind of smooshing and real actual massage with some pressure on your feet in all kinds of ways makes such a difference because it opens up, as I said, all of your foot not being so compacted and stiff, and gets the circulation going, gets your foot to be more malleable, more movable. It gives you a broader surface to stand on. You end up having more of a steadiness, more flexibility in your joints, and when you do that with your feet, you'd be surprised how much the effect of it reflects back up to the rest of your body, to your knees, to your hips, because it affects your gait. It affects how you stand. It has an amazing effect just on the tension in your whole body. So that is your tune-up tip for the week. Roll out your feet, get some opening up and some massaging going there with some good massage tools, especially during this shoe shifting season. And join us in one of our body tune-up classes And I'll also put a link to where you can get your hands on some of these massage tools, which are so awesome. Don't forget to pay attention to your body. Tune in and tune up whenever you can.